Good evening. This is your financial news update for May 5th, 2025, covering yesterday's market movements, key financial developments, corporate earnings, commodities, and forex trends. The S&P 500 closed at 5,650.38, down 0.64% from the previous day, ending a 9-day winning streak amid U.S. China trade tariff uncertainty, as confirmed by Google Finance. The Nasdaq 100 fell 0.74%, tracked by the Nasdaq Composite closing at 17,844.24, pressured by tech stock declines. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index rose 0.64%, ending at 22,649.65, supported by regional trade optimism. Germany's DAX gained 0.71%, closing at 23,252.29, reflecting positive European sentiment. The Euro Stoxx 50 advanced 0.62%, finishing at 5,318.14, driven by industrial gains. Japan's Nikkei 225 was closed for a public holiday, with no trading activity reported. First, U.S. China trade talks showed limited progress, increasing tariff uncertainty and market volatility. This pressured equities, boosting safe haven assets like gold. Investors should consider shorting trade-sensitive stocks like Boeing, while buying defensive utilities like NextEra Energy. Second, U.S. consumer confidence dipped slightly, signaling cautious spending. This supports healthcare and consumer staples, suggesting buys in stocks like Amgen. Shorting weaker retail stocks like Kohl's, which recently cut guidance, could be prudent. Third, Germany's industrial output beat expectations, lifting European markets. The DAX and Euro Stoxx 50 gains indicate potential in industrials, such as Siemens, making ETFs like VGK attractive buys. Shorting underperforming tech like SAP may work if trade tensions persist. Yesterday, no major Nasdaq 100 or S&P 500 corporate earnings were reported for May 5, 2025, based on data from Google Finance and Investing.com. Earlier in the week, Meta and Microsoft reported strong results. Meta beat expectations, with its stock rising due to robust digital advertising and AI growth, signaling tech sector resilience. Microsoft exceeded forecasts, driven by cloud and AI data center expansion, reinforcing enterprise tech as a strong investment. Investors may consider buying these stocks for long-term growth, though near-term trade volatility persists. In commodities, gold futures for June delivery rose 0.15%, closing at $3,246.90 a troy ounce, supported by safe haven demand amid tariff concerns. Crude oil for June delivery fell 0.32%, hitting $61.22 a barrel, while Brent crude for July dropped 0.21% to $64.38 a barrel, reflecting demand uncertainty. Silver futures gained 0.22%, closing at $35.70 a troy ounce, and copper futures rose 0.18% to $4.53 per pound, driven by industrial demand. Investors may consider buying gold ETFs like GLD as a hedge, while oil remains volatile. In forex markets, the GBP USD pair fell 0.02% to 1.3272, reflecting UK economic caution. The EUR USD pair dropped 0.04% to 1.1304. pressured by trade concerns. The USD-JPY pair rose 0.03% to 144.95, supported by a weaker yen. These movements suggest risk-off sentiment, with the yen gaining slightly. Investors may consider short-term long positions in USD-JPY, while monitoring EUR-USD for potential declines. This concludes our financial news for May 5, 2025.